Hello everybody. In today's video, we will be taking a look at Schrödinger's envelopes by Mato and TCC Magic. It is a card prediction effect based on the physics thought experiment Schrödinger's cat.
Have you ever heard of Schrödinger's cat?
I'll just read out what Schrödinger's cat is. Schrödinger's cat is a thought experiment devised by the Austrian physicist Erwin Schrödinger, which he designed to illustrate a paradox of quantum superposition wherein a hypothetical cat in a box may be considered both alive and dead simultaneously, because its fate is linked to a random effect that may or may not occur until you open the box to observe it. So in other words, you have a box with a hypothetical cat inside with a vial of poison, which may or may not break open. So until you open the box to check, the cat can be thought as alive and dead simultaneously.
Schrödinger's cat.
Wow, that's brilliant.
This effect has nothing to do with quantum physics, and it just uses the state of the mystery unknown card as a presentation point for this prediction style effect. So a card is freely selected and placed in an envelope. You then have an audience select 1 out of 5 envelopes which contain a playing card each. So by selecting one of these envelopes, you cause the first card selected, which at this point can be any card, to turn into the card in the envelope which the audience selected. But wait, you then reveal a kicker that you have predicted what the card will be all along. There is a full uncut performance on the TCC product page. It comes not in your typical TCC hard box, but a regular cardboard box. Inside, you will get some envelopes. You get 5 of these envelopes, both printed with the letters A to E. You also get 5 other envelopes and a special envelope. You also get 5 playing cards, which goes into the alphabet envelopes. The link to the instructional video is not on the top flap, but at the bottom. You will need to supply your own deck of playing card of any back design. The tutorial is only about 8 minutes long, and it is the standard TCC produced tutorial. It is very straightforward and basically just shows you how to set up and perform the effect. The routine is very easy to perform and is suitable for beginners. The angles are very good as well. When you have the audience members select the card at the beginning, it is truly a free choice, and the audience can change their mind. I think this would be more suitable for a formal sit-down type show, as you would need a surface or table to place the envelopes down. Schrödinger's envelopes retail for $20 on the TCC website. For me, this is just an okay effect, and I don't see myself doing this. It does what it says it does on the ad copy. If you like what you see in the performance trailer and you can see yourself performing this, you will not be disappointed. Thank you to TCC Magic for sending me this so that I can do this review. If you would like to purchase this or any TCC items, you can use my affiliate code for 15% discount. I will leave the code in the description below. This just in, TCC is having their spring sale until the 30th of April 2025, where you can get 20% off your entire order. They also have other special sales and clearance items. So do check out the TCC Spring Sale and also my other reviews on TCC items if you are interested.